I-SACP nayo isifaka amaphepha enkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ifuna ukuhoxiswa isinqumo sokukhululwa kaWalus ngoshwele kanye nokuvimba ungqongqoshe womnyango wezokuhlunyiswa kwemilo ukuba agcine umyalelo wenkantolo kusalindwe umphumela wesicelo sayo.
They assert that Janusz Walus has completed a victim offender dialogue process, which we do not know about. Austin doesn't know about that. She's the principal person affected in this case with her children. But by ignoring our side of the story, it's as if they were imposing forgiveness of Janusz Walus by Austin, the Communist Party. We believe that going forward, there should be transformation of the parole system in this country.
Omunye ungoti wezomthetho uthi lesi sicelo singaphumelela.
The idea is that they will seek to persuade the judges who've just carefully considered the case that they should reconsider the case and change their verdict in the matter. It's a very difficult kind of application to bring.
Alukanqunywa usuku lokulalelwa kwalesi sicelo.